Welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel School Studies. In this channel you will get daily one video related to different subjects such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science, which will help you to understand and learn more. Today we will see a video related to mathematics subject. In that today's topic is NCERT solution for class 7 mathematics. Chapter 9 rational numbers. Today we will solve exercise 9.2. So let's solve the exercise. First question is find the sum. You have to find the sum of 5 upon 4 plus minus 11 upon 4. Okay, now this plus and minus will become minus. So 5 upon 4 minus 11 upon 4. Here both the denominators are same. So 5 minus 11 upon 4. 5 minus 11 is minus 6 upon 4. We can reduce this by cutting with 2. So if we divide numerator and denominator both with 2, we will get minus 3 by 2. Second, 5 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5. Here both the denominators are different, so we will take the LCM of 3 and 5, that is 15. Now we will convert them with LCM, so we will get 25 upon 15 and 9 upon 15. Now we will add them. So 25 upon 15 plus 9 upon 15, that is 25 plus 9 upon 15, that is 34 upon 15. Next, minus 3 upon minus 11 plus 5 upon 9. Here also both the denominators are different, so we will take the LCM of 11 and 9, that is 99. So we will express in the LCM form. So 27 upon 99 upon 55 upon 99. We will add both of them. So 27 upon 99 plus 55 upon 99, that is 27 plus 55 upon 99, that is 82 upon 99. Next, minus 8 upon 19 plus minus 2 upon 57. Here also denominators are different, so we will take the LCM of 19 and 57, that is 57. Now we will express the rational numbers in the above LCM. So we will get minus 24 upon 57 and minus 2 upon 57. Now we will subtract them. So minus 24 upon 57 minus 2 upon 57. That is minus 24 minus 2 upon 57. That is minus 26 upon 57. Next, minus 2 upon 3 plus 0. We know that any number of fraction is added to 0, the answer will be the same number of fraction. So minus 2 upon 3 plus 0, that is minus 2 upon 3. Next, minus 2 and 1 by 3 plus 4 and 3 by 5. First we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So minus 2 and 1 by 3 will become minus 7 upon 3 and 4 and 3 by 5 will become 23 upon 5. Now we will add them. The denominators are different, so we will take the LCM of 3 and 5, that is 15. So now the rational numbers as expressed in the LCM form, minus 35 upon 15 and 69 upon 15. Now we will add them. So minus 35 upon 15 plus 69 upon 15, that is minus 35 plus 69 upon 15, that is 34 upon 15. Second question, find 7 upon 24 minus 17 upon 36. Here both the LCMs are different, so we will take, both the denominators are different, so we will take the LCM first. So 24 and 36 LCM is 72. Now we will express them in the LCM. So we will get 21 upon 72, 34 upon 72. Now we will subtract both of them. So 21 upon 72 minus 34 upon 72, that is 21 minus 34 upon 72, that is minus 13 upon 72. Next, 5 upon 63 minus 6 upon 21. Now we can also write minus 6 upon 21 as minus 2 upon 7. So 5 upon 63 minus 2 upon 7. We have cut the number with 3. So minus minus will become plus. Now we will take the LCM of 63 and 7, that is 63. So we will get 5 upon 63 and 18 upon 63. So 5 upon 63 plus 18 upon 63, that is 5 plus 18 upon 63, that is 23 upon 63. Minus 6 upon 13 minus bracket minus 7 upon 15. So minus 6 upon 13 plus this minus minus will become plus, so plus 7 upon 15. So LCM of 13 and 15 is 195. So we will take now the LCM. So we will get minus 90 upon 195, 91 upon 195. Now we will add both of them. So minus 90 plus 91 upon 195, that is 1 upon 195. Next, minus 3 upon 8 minus 7 upon 11. Then we will take the LCM of 8 and 11, that is 88. And we will get minus 33 upon 88 and 56 upon 88. So minus 33 upon 88 minus 56 upon 88. So minus 33 minus 56 upon 88, that is minus 89 upon 88. 2 and 1 by 9 minus 6. First we will convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. So it is 2 and 1 by 9 will become 19 upon 9. So minus 19 upon 9 minus 6. We will take the LCM of 9 and 1, that is 9. Now we will express in the LCM. So 9 minus 19 upon 9 and 54 upon 9. So minus 19 upon 9 minus 54 upon 9. So minus 19 minus 54 upon 9. That is minus 73 upon 9. Next, third question, we have to find the product. So 9 upon 2 into minus 7 upon 4. The product of two rational numbers, that is product of their numerator upon product of their denominator. So 9 upon 2 into minus 7 upon 4. Now we will multiply the numerators. So 9 upon minus 7 is minus 63 and 2 upon 4 is 8. So minus 63 upon 8. 3 upon 10 into minus 9. Same way, 3 into minus 9, that is minus 27 upon 10. So minus 27 upon 10. Minus 6 upon 5 into 9 upon 11. First we will multiply the numerators. So minus 6 and 9, that is minus 54. Then we will multiply the denominators. So 5 and 11, that is 55. So answer is minus 54 upon 55. 3 upon 7 into minus 2 upon 5. First we will multiply the numerators. So 3 and minus 2, that is minus 6. And then the denominator. So 7 and 5, that is 35. So minus 6 upon 35. 3 upon 11 into 2 upon 5. First we will multiply the numerators. So 3 into 2 is 6. Then denominator, that is 11 into 5, that is 55. So 6 upon 55. 3 upon minus 5 into minus 5 upon 3. First we will multiply the numerators. So 3 into minus 15. Or we can simply cut 3 and 3, minus 5 and minus 5. So we will get 1. Next, fourth question, find the value of minus 4 divide 2 upon 3. We will convert this divide sign into multiplication, so the number will become reciprocal. So minus 4 upon 1 into 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2 is a reciprocal of 2 upon 3. Now we will multiply the numerator as it is and then the denominator. So minus 4 into 3 upon 1 into 2. So that is 12 upon 2. So minus 6. Minus 3 upon 5 divided by 2. Same, we will change the sign. Divide we will convert into multiplication. So reciprocal of 2 will become 1 by 2. So minus 3 upon 5 into 1 by 2. So now we will multiply the numerators. So minus 3 into 5, that is, sorry, minus 3 into 1 and 5 into 2. So minus 3 into 1 is 3 and 5 into 2 is 10. So answer is 3 upon 10. Next, minus 4 upon 5 divided by minus 3. So minus 4 upon 5 into 1 upon minus 3. So minus 4 into 1, that is minus 4. And 5 into minus 3, that is minus 15. So minus minus will cut. So the answer will be 4 upon 15. Minus 1 upon 8 divided by 3 upon 4. So minus 1 upon 8 into 4 upon 3. So minus 1 into 4 divided by 8 into 3. We can cut 4 and 8. So it will get minus 1 into 1 and 2 into 3. So minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 and 2 into 3 is 6. So minus 1 upon 6. Minus 2 upon 13 divided by minus 2 upon 13 divided by 1 upon 7. So minus 2 upon 13 into 7 upon 1. So minus 2 into 7, that is minus 14, and 13 into 1, that is 13. So minus 14 upon 13. Minus 7 upon 12 divided by minus 2 upon 13. So minus 7 upon 12 into 13 upon minus 2. So minus 7 upon 13. So minus 7 into 13 and 12 into minus 2. So minus 7 into 13 is minus 91. 12 into minus 2 is minus 24. So minus minus will cut. So answer will be 91 upon 24. Next, 3 upon 13 divided by minus 4 upon 65. So 3 upon 13 into 65 upon minus 4. So 3 into 65 and 13 into minus 4. So 3 into 65 is 195 and 13 into minus 4 is minus 52. We can reduce it, so we will get minus 15 upon 4. So this was exercise 9.2 of chapter 9, class 7. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in a comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.